Hello, beautiful people. I'll be training us on how to use our charcoal iron as stove or gas iron. I'll be sharing the tips on how to go about that. The first trick here is don't use a new charcoal iron as your stove iron. No, don't use a new one. Get an old charcoal iron, or if you recently got a new charcoal iron, use it with charcoal first for like 1 to 2 months so that it will become old. What I mean by becoming old is so that the oil, the lubricant they used on the new charcoal iron, that lubricant or the oil on the new charcoal iron must have faded away or melt before you convert it to your gas iron. Hope you got me. If you should use a new charcoal iron as your stove iron immediately, you will realize that the oil will start melting and to start staining your fabric. So it's not advisable to use a new one. Use charcoal on it for like a month or 2 months. By that time, the lubricant must have melted and it will look a bit old before you start using it as your stove or gas iron. Having done this, let's get started. First thing first, light your gas cylinder or your stove and place your charcoal iron. Place your charcoal iron on the gas cylinder you just lighted or the stove you lighted. Now I will advise you to use gas cylinder. Reason is stove brings out smoke and it might stain your fabric while ironing. So use a gas cylinder. Allow it to get hot for like 2 to 3 minutes, then bring it down. Don't place it immediately on your main fabric. Yes, get a towel or a napkin or any fabric you are not using to test on it first before transferring it on your main fabric. This is to avoid it from getting your main fabric burnt. You can also decide to sprinkle water on the napkin or the other fabric that you're not making use of to cool the hotness before ironing it on your main fabric. Once done, go ahead and iron your main fabric. This is how to use your charcoal iron as your gas or stove iron if you are not buoyant enough to buy a separate gas or stove iron. Please do wait to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Thank you.